Hello, I'm Andy Ronsky, Chair of Foley and Lerner's Manufacturing Sector, and I'm excited to introduce our Made in the USA series. Current administration priorities, tariff policies, rising global tensions, and hard-learned lessons from pandemic-driven supply chain disruptions have spurred a new reshoring initiative and a revitalization of domestic manufacturing. Manufacturers, large and small, are relocating or expanding capacity here at home, investing billions into the domestic manufacturing sector. Many products are, or soon will be again, made in the USA. This series will guide manufacturers considering relocation or expansion through some critical issues that will arise: where to look for the most valuable government incentives and the most talented workforce, whether to build or buy, and how to finance a new manufacturing facility, what environmental regulation and permitting hurdles will arise, how best to restructure existing supply chains and commercial relationships, where to secure sustained and cost-efficient energy sources, and the cybersecurity and privacy risks inherent in this time of smart manufacturing, AI, and big data. As always, our goal is to help manufacturers navigate and thrive in a rapidly evolving environment, particularly during this new era of Made in the USA. We look forward to working together and fueling an American manufacturing resurgence.